Today I am going to show you all how to make a very tasty and delicious Punjabi style vegetable pulao. So please note down the ingredients. For this we need rice. Here I have taken 4 cups of rice. You can take the quantity according to your requirement. I am going to make a little more pulao, so I have taken 4 cups of rice. First of all, we'll wash and keep our rice aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Then please note down in dry spices, whole spices, I have here cinnamon sticks, dalchini, cloves, long, 2-3 big cardamoms, moti ilaichi, 3 to 4 small green cardamoms, and bay leaves, tej patta. Then we need crushed garlic, grated or crushed ginger, green chili very finely chopped. This is again an optional. Then cumin, jeera, chili, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder. This is dhania, and dry fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, but this is again an optional. If you don't have it, so don't worry, you can omit this. Then vegetables can be of your choice. Here I have taken cauliflower, I have cut them into these florets. French beans, I have cut them diagonally. Onions sliced. Few potatoes peeled and diced. Peas and carrots. Carrots also have cut diagonally. Shape you can cut according to your choice. If you want, you can cut square pieces. If you want, you can just chop small round pieces according to your choice. Now what we'll do is, first we'll wash our rice and we'll keep them aside for 10 to 15 minutes till we make a tempering. And meanwhile, in another pan, we will fry cauliflowers and potatoes. These two vegetables I am going to fry. Rest, all other vegetables will put along with the rice. And even onions, we'll golden brown the onions and keep them aside to decorate them. If you want, you can add the onions while making the tempering, while making the tadka of the rice. But otherwise, you can also golden brown them and keep them aside to decorate them later on. So now I'll show you how to start making a vegetable, Punjabi style vegetable pulao. Here I've taken this pan. You take a thick bottom pan and I've heated oil in this. Meanwhile, in this pan, in this kadai, I've kept my oil to heat for frying my vegetables, cauliflower, potatoes and onions. So first we'll put this rice to cook, and by the time it gets cooked, we'll fry our vegetables. Now the oil is hot. We'll add cumin, all spices, whole spices. See, if you don't want to use whole spices, you can also use garam masala powder. Here I have crushed my cardamoms. Now we stir them in the oil. Now here garlic, ginger, just fry it for a minute or two so that the garlic gets a little golden color. See, if you want, at this stage you can add in onions also, but I am not going to add them because I will fry them and keep them aside to use them later on. You can make this rice in cooker, you can make it in a kadai, you can make it in any utensil, a deep pan. Now I'll add dhania powder. This is coriander powder. According to your requirement and your quantity of food, you add the spices. Now this is red chili powder. I'm also going to put green chilies, finely chopped, very finely chopped. Then salt. Also a tomato. You can also use tomato puree if you want. It is not necessary that you have to have chopped tomatoes. And little fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. And then we'll add our water. See, you have to keep one thing in mind when you are making your rice in an open pan. If you're not pressure cooking it, you need double quantity of water. If you're taking 1 cup of rice, you have to add 2 cups of water. If 2 cups of rice, then 4 cups of water. But when you're making your rice in a cooker, you're going to steam it, pressure cook it, then you have to take 1.5 times water according to the quantity of your rice. If you're taking 1 cup of rice, then in a cooker you'll need 1.5 cup of water. But in an open pan, you need double the quantity. So here I've added all our dry masalas. Now I had washed and soaked the rice. We add this rice. Then here I had, for 4 cups I've taken 8 cups of water. Now what we'll do is, see, I'll tell you a very simple way for the beginners how to check their spices. Sometimes they're not sure whether the spices, the taste of salt and everything is going to be perfect or not. See, what you can do is, when you have put in all your vegetables and rice, we can, at this stage now we've put water, we'll also add our carrots, then beans, and peas. Now we'll wait till one boil comes and then we'll reduce the flame for the rice to simmer. It will take approximately 15 to 16 minutes. See, now what you can do is, you can take a spoon and you can taste this water. So the salt and spices in this water should be slightly on the higher side. Then your pulao is going to be perfect with all the spices and salt. So this is a simple way. You check the taste of this water, and yes, it is perfect. So first you should add little salt. Then you can taste the water and accordingly you can add. So keep it slightly on the higher side. Now we'll wait for this water to boil, and then meanwhile we'll fry our vegetables. Rice is cooking. I have fried my onions just slightly more. When they're a little brown in color, we'll take them out and keep aside. And in the same oil, we will fry our cauliflower and potatoes. One thing more I would like to tell you, see, it is not necessary that you have to fry your cauliflower and potatoes. Along with the other vegetables, you can also add them straight into the rice. But if you have some special party or something, if you fry them, it gives a better taste and a better look. See, now our onions are ready. I'll take them out now. Our water has started boiling, and at this stage we'll just stir it once, because later on we are not going to stir our rice too much. Just stir it, and now we will cover it with a lid. Here I'll cover it and reduce our flame, and we will let it cook for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. It is going to take for our rice to be 90% cooked. Now meanwhile, see, here I have taken out our golden fried onions and kept it on a tawa so that all the oil comes out. Or you can also keep this on a tissue paper, newspaper, or a parchment paper, kitchen paper, so that you can take out the excess oil. Now same way, here our potatoes are being fried, see. And after this I will also fry my cauliflower till my rice is being cooked here. After around 12 minutes, I'll check, I'll show you, see. Here our rice is 90% done, and it has soaked all the water. Now what we'll do is, we'll take one clean kitchen cloth, dip it in water with a damp cloth, we cover it, and we have to keep some heavy weight on it. For 5 minutes, leave it to cook for another 5 minutes on slow heat and off the gas after that, but don't open it. Leave it to rest for another 5 to 6 minutes, and after that we'll open this. Now I have reduced the flame and I'll cook it for another 5 minutes, and then I'll switch off my gas. Our rice is ready. I'll show you. See, very lightly stir it, and now before stirring, we see here I have our fried potatoes and cauliflower. How nice it is looking. Now you can mix this also, so that even these vegetables get all the aroma and flavors of the dry spices and masalas. We'll keep little bit to garnish on top. Rest we'll add here. Now very lightly, see, so that it doesn't break, rice doesn't break. See how nice it has come. Now we'll take it out in a platter. First I have put one layer. Now we have these fried onions that we have fried and kept. We can sprinkle little onions here on the middle layer, so that we get an equal taste. Some green coriander. Now again on this I'll put one more layer of rice. See how nice it is looking, colorful. And you will notice one thing, I have not added turmeric powder here, because I think these colorful vegetables look much better on white rice. But if you want, you can also add haldi, turmeric powder, if you want a yellow look. How pretty this is looking, how nice our colorful rice is looking. Here I have garnished it with those fried onions, cauliflower that I have saved to garnish, and potatoes. So it is going to be equally tasty. Hope it was very easy for all of you. So you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy your very special Punjabi style vegetable pulao. Thank you, friends.